gotta make up your mind here a little bit. It's a super spacious studio. You've got a closet here, closet there, decorative fireplace, great sunlight. And the main room is really, really long. So spacious, great storage, but that's your refrigerator. And it's fine, I guess, not the end of the world, but you've got a decent amount of cabinet space, a 4-burner stove, a decent sink. You're probably going to be doing some cooking here. They could have just put some more cabinet space there or a dishwasher and then a refrigerator right there. Or they could have put a full-size refrigerator and just less cabinet space. That refrigerator is for like a kitchen where no one's doing any cooking whatsoever. This is enough for one person or even 2 people to cook at. Here's the bathroom. The lights are off, but it's perfectly decent. Again, you've got one closet there, another closet right here. And this studio is in Lenox Hill. So you've got Madison Avenue right there, Park Avenue down there. This looks like a single-family townhouse being renovated. Here's an Italian government building. Michael Kors on the corner, Central Park 2 blocks over.